All the deaf people want is to have equal access to the content that is now exclusively available only to the hearing. Every year, more than 6,000 theatre performances are created in Slovenia, but none of them are understandable to the deaf. NLB Bank, the biggest Slovene bank inclusive towards all Slovenes, in cooperation with the Association of the Deaf and Slovene Theatres, introduces the Theatre Interpreter, an initiative that enables sign language experts and actors in one to interpret the storylines and dialogues, allowing deaf visitors to attend the most popular theatre plays in Slovenia, before available only to the hearing audience. Theatre interpreters receive a specific spot on the actual stage and become a regular part of theatre performances. To make the theatre interpreter a permanent solution, NLB Bank enables the deaf to experience performances with sign language interpretation on a monthly basis in theatres all over Slovenia. The initiative immediately receives massive support from the public, the media, and even the President of Slovenia. But above all, it gets a deep appreciation from the deaf that feel genuinely included in the hearing world.